Hey, I'm Mark from XPCamper. Give them a shuttle tour of our shop here. And right now we're in our CNC department where we are cutting aluminum on our CNC router as well. We're cutting foam, which is part of our camper structure. Foam like this gets on there. That's for the nose where it bends. That's basically a camper in a box right here. The whole camper right here. It's going to get in the mold at some point.
Is that an insulating foam or?
Yeah, it's a structural insulating foam. It gets in the mold, you get fiberglass foam, fiberglass, and then that's basically your camper right there. There's no wood or no any kind of structure inside, no frame in the camper. It's a monocoque design. So here is our CNC press brake. That's a lot of our work. Doing some complicated bends we have. This is for the actually storage box on top we just showed. It's actually a tie-down rack. That's a cover for our heating system inside the camper. This is a little door plate we're making to put the entry latch on it, which had to be punched out because the camper goes up and down. We needed space for it. So a little origami right here going on here. This is one piece, cut out and then bent. This is actually a vent cover for heating vent going inside the camper. This is another part we're bending out here to protect our lifting mechanism cables. So here we are in our weld shop, and we are building parts for the storage box we have, which goes in the back of the camper. That's the beginning of it. So all the parts are actually cut out on the CNC, and then we bend them our press brake for the door to fit in here. It's actually the stairs. When you slide out the subframe with the stair system, so they get all bent up on the cut out and bent up on the CNC press brake. So we had the design when you step in with dirty shoes that the dirt falls through. We're having two, one on the bottom and one on the very top. So the other ones are solid. Our machine shop. Got a 6-foot here we're using for various parts. We got a couple of mill setups here. One is over here, and one is over there. And here's where we're making some of the fiberglass parts. We're still doing the V2 in-house. The V1 is being farmed out now. Hector is doing some interior doors. Here's Monty building us our exterior doors. This is our wood shop. It's a mahogany. It's a trim piece for lifting the bed up. Our shower grate. Our shoe grate. This is actually teak for the floor. It was the contour of the floor when you put the floor in. Other corner pieces.
Hey, I'm James from XPCamper. We're up here at the upholstery shop where we put together all sorts of different pieces for the camper, from the interior to the exterior. Right here we've got some of our under bed storage bags, so you can put your clothes in there and get a nice little easy access to your clothes from when they're under the bed. Pop them out. Then we've also got some of our cushions that we make, because we do cushions, we do the bed, we do the tent, and we got all this great space to roll out our fabric and make the magic happen.